Exploring creative choice, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, creative choice. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can enrich your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively. Creative choice refers to a decision made that involves original thinking, innovation, or imagination. It's often used in artistic, business, or everyday scenarios where someone opts for a non-traditional or inventive approach. Understanding this phrase helps in appreciating decisions that step outside the norm. In art, a creative choice might refer to an artist choosing an unusual color, style, or medium. For example, using digital tools for a traditional painting. In business, making a creative choice could mean adopting a unique marketing strategy that hasn't been tried before. Everyday life. In daily life, a creative choice could be as simple as cooking a meal with an unexpected ingredient. Understanding and using the phrase, creative choice, is important because it celebrates creativity and innovation. It acknowledges that sometimes the best decisions are those that break the mold. This phrase can be a powerful tool in discussions about art, business strategies, or even personal decisions. 1. The director's creative choice to shoot the film in black and white added to its dramatic effect. 2. Choosing to start a business in a saturated market was a risky yet creative choice. 3. Using an old door as a table was a creative choice that really paid off in her interior design. And that's a wrap on creative choice. We hope this video has shed light on this expressive phrase and inspired you to recognize and make your own creative choices. Remember, English is a vibrant language full of nuances, and phrases like these add color to our conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay creative.